Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to export a 3ds Max to Sketchup. Alright, so first up, open up 3ds Max and we are going to export our project as FBX or OBJ. And this is just for general geometry. Okay. Now, if you want to use tools like Transmuter, SimLab Exporter, or even a V-Ray proxy, those works too, as those third-party tools retain materials into complex geometry. Now, if you want me to create a video about it, well, just go out and let me know in the comments below. For this video, we're just going to be exporting simple files, okay? File right here, export, export. Now, save it wherever you want. Make a new folder if you want to. Maybe for Sketchup, okay? I'm going to double-click on it. Now, give it a file name. And then save as type as FBX or OBJ. All right, FBX right here, OBJ right here. So select from one of these options and just click on save. Now that'll be a pop-up. Set this up however you want and just click on OK. Now once that's done, here we have our folder. Now to import it to SketchUp, it's actually pretty easy. Go ahead over to extensions right here and extensions warehouse. Let's go ahead and find Skimp. Okay. Right here in the search bar, find Skimp. Click on it and click on install. Okay. Hit on yes. Now, as you can see here, we now have Skimp. Now just close the App Store. Import model right here. Find the OBJ or CAD file. There you go. As you can see, FBX and OBJ is now readable. So first FBX, there we go. As you can see, you can transform it from here. Okay, change the model unit to even feet, millimeters, centimeter, and meters. You can simplify. Do whatever you want. And then once that's done, just click on import. And here we have it. Okay, that is how you export 3ds Max to SketchUp. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.